How to create blurred images in HTML CSS. To blur an image, the easiest way is to apply the CSS blur filter. To control the level of blur, simply adjust the spread radius. To blur a background image, first place the text and image in a div container. Set all of them to the same dimensions. Set the container to relative position, the text and image to absolute. Layer the text on top and image below. Lastly, apply the CSS blur filter to the image. Here is an alternate way to blur a background image. Start by placing the text in a div container. Set the image as the background of the container. Set the text to fill up the container. Apply a transparent background color and CSS blur filter. To blur the image partially, set the container to relative position and the text to absolute. Set the position and dimensions accordingly. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.